We're about saving lives. To save lives, you need to know what's happening now. That's what doing data differently looks like to us. Medair works in the highest risk countries in the world to provide primary healthcare services where the health system has completely broken down. Trying to understand whether or not we've achieved our goals and been able to save children's lives is super difficult because we can't see that data. If it's real time, it saves lives. If it's 2 weeks later, it's too late. Medair's digital transformation really went hand in hand with Qlik. So we went straight from paper with a bit of Excel into Qlik. The ability to make evidence-based decisions using real data is so critically important for us to make the right decisions that can bring about life-saving relief and support. We have been collecting data, for example, in Lebanon for a long time, which enables us to do trend analysis and to start looking at predictive analytics about what might be happening in a particular situation, which can help us to respond better. We have to duplicate our processes over and over again. So having a strong integration platform which connects all of our systems together is really critical for Medair. We are in the process of implementing Qlik Talent Cloud. Qlik is the only company that has ever gone to the level that Qlik has gone with Medair. So I would put them, at least from an IT perspective, up there as #1 partner who have truly tried to understand us in a way that no one else ever has.